I think bringing the manufacturing facility to the U.S., specifically, of course, Whitfield County, is a sign of the future. I mean, we all know that there are limited supplies of gas and oil. We also know that we're going to have to depend more on renewable energy sources. And I'm just thrilled that Hanwha Q CELLS chose to do that in our community.
Hanwha Q CELLS, a leader in the world's solar industry, will invest $150 million to build a new manufacturing facility in Georgia to produce high-performance photovoltaic modules. Construction for the factory in Whitfield County has commenced in 2018 and is scheduled to be completed in January 2019. Following Hanwha Q CELLS factories in Korea, Malaysia, and China, this U.S. factory marks Qcells' international growth and its dedication to the North American market.
Georgia is the #1 state for business, and we offer a highly skilled workforce and extensive manufacturing resources needed for Hanwha Q CELLS to maintain its strong competitive edge. We appreciate Hanwha Q CELLS' significant investment in our state, and we look forward to their success in Dalton, Georgia.
The creation of over 500 jobs is great for the citizens in our area. When fully employed, they're going to be putting about $16 million a year in payroll back into our economy. And of course, those workers, I'm sure, will be involved in the community and just making Dalton and Whitfield County as a whole a better place.
Hanwha Q CELLS really values our quality products delivered to our customers in a very timely manner, and I believe our plant in Georgia will enable that. First of all, in terms of hardware, we had a pad-ready site to build a customized building to bring our state-of-the-art equipment in from Korea. And on the software side, we'll be able to leverage the mature industrial base here in Georgia to hire experienced and able engineers and operators to manufacture our products. And also in terms of logistics, the infrastructure in the region will help us deliver those quality products to our customers in a timely manner.
Hanwha Q CELLS products is all we use in our business. So when I first heard Hanwha Q CELLS was coming to the U.S., we thought that was a great idea. By the factory being so close, it makes us feel more comfortable that as the market grows, the supply chain can grow equally as fast.
I expect an ongoing long-term relationship. We are in this for the long haul, and I think Hanwha Q CELLS is as well, and I think we're very happy they're here, and we want to try as much as we can to make them very happy in our community. I'm hoping having Hanwha Q CELLS here in our community will educate the younger generation coming up about renewable energy sources, clean energy. The solar panel is going to be a huge topic of conversation for years to come.
We are so excited to bring our technology leadership to Georgia in manufacturing solar modules. We are happy to do our part in contributing to environmentally sustainable energy solutions.
It's been very good working with the Hanwha Q CELLS folks, very professional, very polite, and just a joy to work with. We know they're going to be an asset to our community and a valued member, not only from what they do at their manufacturing facility, but I think they're going to get plugged in and be vital parts of our community.